What's up guys, welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. In this video I am going to show you the parts that we just got in for the 24 valve Cummins. It is Saturday morning, so I am just doing this quick little video to get uploaded so you guys can see the parts and have something to look at quick while I proceed to come back out and get to tearing the front of the Cummins apart. So as soon as I hit upload on this and I publish it to you guys, I am heading straight back out here to start diving right into it and getting that stock OEM harmonic balancer off the truck and getting this new one put on. But right now let's get in the garage and show you what I got, and I can kind of explain what my thoughts were or why I went with what I ordered. The first package that we got was the ARP balancer bolts. Now obviously if I am going to be replacing the harmonic balancer on the front of the truck and I'm gonna have it pulled off there, then I'm not gonna be putting the stock OEM harmonic balancer bolts back in with the new one. I definitely wanted to upgrade them and get a stronger, better quality bolt to mount this new one on the front of the engine. So that is what we did. We got the ARP balancer bolts. So that is package number one. The second little box right here is, well, it's a tiny little guy, but it's definitely for the harmonic balancer, and some of you guys may be able to guess what this is. But in that little box, we do have a Fleece Performance barring tool. Now the Fleece Performance barring tool mounts right in the center of your harmonic balancer on the front of your engine. And what it does is it allows you to turn your engine over to top dead center and bar it over. So this is like a third way of being able to turn your engine over to TDC if you're gonna do valve adjustment or you need to turn it over to top dead center for anything else. So this is just a one-time installation thing. It sits right there after you install it. You just run your truck and you never know it's there until you have to turn it over to top dead center. You can put a 1/2-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar right here in the center of it and turn your engine over. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the main attraction, the part you all have clicked this video for, the harmonic balancer. Made in the good old US of A, we do have a fluid damper. That's right, you can see right there, read it on the box. Now the reason that I went with a fluid damper is, well, there's a couple reasons. Obviously, the design of the stock OEM harmonic balancer isn't really all that great. They are known for going out and the rubber damper rings in them just falling apart after a little while, or not a little while, but after a certain amount of time they will fail. As you could see on mine, the rubber damper ring is getting wavy and there's a spot on it to actually like chewed up and missing some pieces of it. So they're just known to fail. The design of them, it is what it is. They're cheaper obviously to keep costs down and get one on the truck, whereas these fluid dampers are all one solid piece with the Vibratech technology. Once you install the fluid damper on your truck, you would never have to worry about it again. It should hold up on the truck for the rest of the truck's life, or as long as you own the truck. You would never have to worry about replacing this thing again. It's a one and done type of deal. These fluid dampers are very highly spoken about, and really the second main reason that I went with it, first reason being, if I'm replacing this harmonic balancer, obviously we're going with a better performance part so that we can continue building the truck a little bit and looking to get more power out of it. These fluid dampers are able to handle and cut down on that torsional vibration of the crankshaft. Once you start throwing more power at the truck, these can handle that better. But the second reason being, the stock OEM harmonic balancer is like right around $250 to $270 or so wherever you get it from, so that's what it would cost you. Whereas these fluid dampers are like $150 to $170 more or something like that. Wherever, again, it would depend on where you get it from or order it from. But the price isn't really that much more, and you're getting a far superior product in this fluid damper. And it's made in the good old US of A, like I already said. Actually, it's made about 3 hours from where I live, just south of Buffalo, New York. So that is freaking cool. I think it's made in Springville, I think is a town. So these are made right here in the Northeast, right in good old New York. I don't know if it's good old New York, but in New York anyways. And I just honestly couldn't see putting any other part on the truck while we go to change out the harmonic balancer. There are some other like off-brand or other brands. I don't know if I'd call them off-brands, maybe like an off-brand of fluid damper, but there are other similar styles and brands out there that you can get to do for a harmonic balancer swap, but really you are going to get the best performance and life out of the fluid damper. They are the #1 in our diesel community, and they make them for gas engines and everything, but when it comes to the diesel performance and upgrading your harmonic balancer on your diesel engine, fluid damper, definitely the way to go. So those are the parts that I got. We got the ARP balancer bolts, the Fleece performance barring tool so that we can bar the engine over and turn it to top dead center easier next time we ever have to do that. And we got the fluid damper, which my true peeps already know what I got for the truck because I've told you at the end of the last 2 videos, so they got the scoop first. And if you don't watch my videos to the end, well, that's your loss. And by the way, what the flip are you doing, bro? If you want the scoop, watch to the end because I'll let you know sometimes. Or you follow me on Instagram and you get to see things before the channel does at purepanorama19. But smash that thumbs up button if you are stoked for the fluid damper, the ARP bolts, and the Fleece barring tool. Hit that subscribe button if you're stopping in for the first time, checking out the channel. Join the family. Let's make it stronger. We're almost at that 1K point. Let's get it. And I will see you tomorrow with the install of the fluid damper. I gotta go get this edited so I can get out here and get to work. Peace.